Yeah, look at the third question, the 1.3 exercise. Write the values of f at minus 3, 5, 2, minus 1, 0 if f of x is equal to sum of the functions. So we want to prove that f at minus 3 what value, and f at 5, f at 2, f at minus 2 and f at 0. Before we are going to solve the problem, I want to tell you that look at the, so first one is open bracket. So it means first one is open bracket. So open bracket mean values are not included. So values are not included mean, for example, suppose look at here x belonging to 0 comma 3. So look at the 0 also open bracket and 3 also open bracket. Open bracket means just this bracket only. It's called open bracket. So is it okay? So x belonging to 0 comma 3. So open bracket means values are not included. So x belonging to 0 comma 3. So that 0 value and 3 value must not be included. So after 0 is what? After 0 is 1, 2 and before 3 only we have to include. Okay, we won't take 3 value. So open bracket means values are not included. So x belonging to 0 comma 3. So and 0 and 3 are not included. So after 0, 1, 2, before 3. So 1, 2 only our values. But look at this is a closed bracket. So first one is open bracket, second one is closed bracket. So closed bracket means values are included. So values are included. So x belonging to 0 comma 3. So look at it, both sides are closed brackets only. So included, so all the interval values are included, which means 0 also included and 3 also included. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So up to 4 values are included. And then look at here, this is for examples only. So keep in your mind always, because this is a basic knowledge. So look at that, x belonging to 0 comma 2. So first one is open bracket and the second one is closed bracket. So open bracket means that value will not be added, will not be included. So 0 will not be included. After 0 what value? 1. So after 0 what value? 1. And then 2. 2 in the 2 bracket is closed bracket. So closed bracket means that value must be included. So 1, 2. Look at here. So close to bracket for 0 only. So 0 we have to write and 1 write. 2 we won't write. Okay, we can't write 2 because 2 having the open bracket. So that's it. This is a basic knowledge. And then suppose, yeah, we can also say that less than or less, simple less than mean. Suppose I put less than and greater than, which also is the open bracket. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So equal to mean must be that value will be added, which means a closed bracket. So don't forget. For example, yeah, some 2 less than x less than 4 means what is the value of x value? X value is just 3 only, because 2 less than only, not less than or equal to. So we are just less than only. Less than only means what? From 2. So after 2 before 4 what we have value? X value is 3. Suppose less than or equal to, which means what? 2 also included, 3 and 4 also included. So less than or equal to, which means closed bracket. Closed bracket means the value, interval value are included. Simple less than, simple greater than means open bracket, the value of the interval. Yeah, the n value னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So n values are not included. This is a basic. So இதை வச்சு தான் போடலாம். Look at the first sum. Write the values of f at minus 3, 5, 2, minus 1, 0. We have 4 functions. So okay, look at here, write the values and the 5 values if this is a functions. So this fully functions. Okay, so first question is that f means what? Function. So this function f, so f at first value is -3, so I just take f at -3. I want to look at that where that -3 in. So I want to look at that where the -3 is in. -3 எங்க இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we can see. So look at that first interval. Look at that first interval x belonging to -infinity comma 0. So and also there is a open bracket. Open bracket means what? This -infinity and 0 will not be included. So after -infinity and then before 0 only. Yeah, look at here. So this is -infinity, last term is +infinity, and middle term is 0. So after -infinity and open bracket 0 means before 0 only. So in the graph before 0 what value we have? We have -1 value. So okay, so we have till -1 value only. So first value is okay. So where is that -3 will become? Will in, so minus value will be here only. So -3 value is inside of this intervals only, inside of this first intervals only, because -2 up to 0. So negative values in the graph. So this is our graph, correct? So this is a infinity last term, this is a -infinity last term, middle one is 0. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, this is -2, so on. So look at the first interval is -infinity comma 0, which means what? From here to before 0 we are -1. So here to -1 value is the first interval. So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So -3 also between that -infinity to 0 only. So I want to take first function. So this is my first function, x square minus x minus 5. This is my first function. What values? -3. I just put in terms of x as equal to -3. So -3 square plus of -3 and -5. So -3 square means +9, plus into -3 -5. So answer will be +1. And then next value is, look at here, 5. So I want to look at the where that 5 values. Okay, where that 5 values. So 5 values is a positive one. Look at the second interval. Look at the second interval, 0 comma infinity, which means what? Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so on up to infinity. Okay, so 3 எங்க இருக்கு? 3 இங்க இருக்கு. But sorry, 5. So 4 and 5. So our interval is 3 comma infinity only. So after 3, because open bracket, after 3 and before infinity only we add. So inside of these values only we add the 5 values. So 3 after 3 means what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to before infinity only. So before infinity what is the highest value? So whatever. So 5 means what? After 3 but before infinity only 5. So 4 after 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So whatever the after 3 and before infinity, the function is, this one is our function, x square plus 3x minus 2, this one is function. So I just replace my x value by 5. So 5 square plus 3 of 5 minus 2, 5 square is 25 and plus 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 2. So 25 plus 15 equal to 40, 40 minus 2 is equal to 38. Yeah, now you can say that third value is 2. So first of all I want to look at that where is the 2 will. So first one is not, second one is 3 to infinity, which means what? 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is also not. And look at here, 0 comma 2. So open bracket 0 comma 2, which means what? Open brackets means this n values not included. So answer is still 1 only. So 2 வந்து இங்க வராது, பட் நமக்கு 2 தான் இங்க ஆன்சர் வரணும். So is there any interval? No interval. So this is not in the 2. So 2 is not in this interval, 2 is not in this interval, 2 is not in this interval. So which means what? We can use otherwise. இதில் எதுவுமே இல்லைன்னா otherwise யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். That's it. Otherwise function is what? X square minus 3. So I just write f of x is equal to x square minus 3, and then I just put 2 value in the place of x. So 2 square minus 3 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Same here, next one is minus 1. Minus 1. Where is the minus 1 value? Yeah, look at here. This is a plus 1 only, x value. This is a, look at here, 3 comma infinity means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Minus value varade. Look at the first term. First term is what? This is minus infinity. This is suppose 0. So minus 1 is also here. So from minus infinity to 0 only we add that minus 1 value. So the first interval is correct. So minus 1 is in the first interval. So I just write the first interval. Yeah, I just write the first interval, first function. That is, this is my first function. I just replace x by minus 1. So minus 1 square plus of minus 1 minus 5. So 1 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Yeah, and then look at that. What is the next value? 0. So where is 0? Which means open bracket minus infinity comma 0. Which means what? The minus infinity and 0 will not be added because this is open bracket. Look at here, 0 comma 2. So this is also open bracket 0 comma 2, which means what? That 0 and minus 2 will not be added. 3 comma infinity, there are no 0 because 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 is before 3 only. Now what we can do? We use the otherwise function. So look at here, otherwise function is f of x equal to x square minus 3. So replace x by 0. So 0 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. Yeah, that's it. Easy one only. So don't forget, open bracket means, so inside of this interval endpoints values are not included. Close bracket means the values are included. So for examples, x belonging to some 1 comma 3, which means what? Open bracket, which means what? 1 and 3 are not included. So x value is just 2 only. Suppose x belonging to closed bracket 1 comma 3 means, so 1 also included, 3 also included, and in between 1 and 3 what value we have? We have 2 value. So 1, 2, 3, this is answer. So 1 comma 3, which means what? 1, 2, 3. So 1 will not be added, 3 will not be added, just 2 only we have. And then less than and simple greater than means what? Open bracket. And less than or equal to and greater than or equal to means what? Closed bracket. Yeah.